Client retention is one of the biggest issues that marketing agencies are facing here in 2024. It's not a new issue at all, but companies are looking harder at making sure they're getting a return on investment from their marketing agency. There's also more marketing agencies in the market than ever before. So in order to be effective, in order to make money and stay in business, you have to make sure that you are reducing your client churn. And your clients are always looking for the shiny object. They're always looking for ways to save money, make money, do things quicker, faster, and stronger, all by getting things done in a more efficient way, which is exactly why spending money on solutions like a platform like GoHighLevel make so much sense. And it's truly because the agency that they are typically working with doesn't always provide enough value, return on investment, or stickiness to make them loyal enough to stay around. So part of the issue is on the client. Part of the issue is actually on the agency themselves, which leads to that unexpected churn and increased churn, which makes you lose more money over time and reduce the lifetime value of your clients. So what if I told you that with GoHighLevel or GHL, you can significantly decrease your client churn on a monthly basis for your marketing agency, increase your customer lifetime value, all while making your agency more profitable than ever before? Make sure to watch the rest of this video as we dive into a couple of different factors of how GoHighLevel can do all those things for you. So depending upon what data you look at, the industry average for monthly client churn in marketing agencies is anywhere from 10 to 25%. If you're under 10% and you're a solid agency that's not just been around for a month or two, but it's been around for a while and does pretty good with sales, and your client churn is under 10%, you're doing pretty awesome. GHL helps then reduce your agency churn by building a wall around your agency or your business, because clients are going to be so scared to leave you because you've built up so much incredible loyalty with them. But the solutions that GoHighLevel provides through you to them as the business owner is going to be super, super beneficial. So with GHL, the three main factors that I truly believe that help build that stickiness around your business is a white labeled all-in-one platform, right? So they have access to the app as well as to the dedicated URL for the SaaS solution that highlights all of your agency branding. So you're using GoHighLevel's technology, but they're seeing your name time and time again. And then, of course, you have snapshots. So once you have something that works really, really good in a specific industry, you can then duplicate that over and over and over again with very little effort. And of course, the ROI and data tracking that GoHighLevel provides you, it's absolutely incredible. So if you are a marketing agency, are you currently using GoHighLevel? If yes, are you using it to its fullest? Are you using it as a retention tool and an upselling and cross-selling tool? And if you're not using GoHighLevel as a marketing agency, why not? I would challenge you to ask yourself those questions and then to have those answers, because GoHighLevel can absolutely change your agency's business, both short-term and long-term. It's always easier to keep an existing client in your agency and more profitable than having to go out and go acquire a new client. And I use the term acquire because there's going to be some time, energy, and money traded in order to go get that new client, whether directly or indirectly. By using GoHighLevel, you will increase the lifetime value of your clients, because there's really four main components. The one is more services to sell with SaaS than your typical agency SEO, Facebook ads, etc. from the beginning. So you can start charging for SaaS immediately. You then have more upselling opportunities because everything is in one place. So it's easier to show them different data and then upsell from one thing to the next. People are less likely to leave you. And that's what we're obviously trying to go for, is the less friction, the less opportunity that somebody is going to take that shiny object or that crazy offer that some other agency is trying to go and put in their face. the more likely they are to stay with you. And then tying all of those different things together is the automation piece, right? So automating their business and doing it on a platform that is ran through your agency via GoHighLevel, that is going to equate to them staying with you way longer than if you didn't have SaaS and GHL tied to it. With GHL's help, you're able to reduce the churn of your clients on a monthly basis, increase the overall lifetime value of your clients. Clients are going to be worth more to you. They're going to be staying longer, so you're going to have to go find less clients to keep the same ratios and numbers in your business, which is a massive win-win for everyone impacted. And with that comes more profits, less headaches, and more impact overall. If you're curious to see how this works, we have a free and extended 30-day trial to GoHighLevel in the description of this video. Make sure to check that out. 30 free days. If you're a marketing agency and you're not on the GoHighLevel platform, take a look at that and truly see how this stuff can absolutely impact your agency. From there, if you are looking at ways to grow and scale your agency, but you're struggling to get more clients, you just can't figure out, hey, how do I get more clients? How do I get more inbound leads? Well, that's really what we did in our marketing agency, and what we continue to do and teach other people to do is really take the existing organic social media channels that you have from your personal brand and go implement those things where we teach you how to get more of your ideal clients for $0. You'll see a link in the description to join our free Facebook group. We have daily content and live weekly trainings. From there, if you got value from this video, right, which I hope you did, make sure to like this video, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel so that way you can get notified each and every single time we launch a new video. And remember, with all this stuff, authority isn't built overnight, it's built over time.